Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the meshes and maps you will merge. Make sure the target mesh has a clean UV layout inside the 0-1 space, and that source textures are exported at matching resolution. Next, bake any missing maps, normal, ambient occlusion, curvature, using a cage or adjusted ray distance so details transfer cleanly. Once done, verify the baked outputs in the image editor and make copies. You will merge those maps into a single texture set. You now combine maps while preserving their roles. Place base color in sRGB and roughness, metallic, normals in linear space. This avoids unexpected shifts. Use Blender's UV/image editor or an external image editor to align layers, scale, rotate, and nudge so seams match. For normals, use tangent space blending or specialized normal map blending to avoid artifacts. Once aligned, export merged maps with consistent resolution and bit depth. Keep a layered PSD or XCF for non-destructive edits. You finish by importing merged textures back into Blender and connecting them to the principled BSDF, base color to base color, roughness to roughness, and a normal map node with normal map set to tangent space. Make sure to set image color space correctly. Roughness and metallic must be non-color. Once connected, tweak strength with mix RGB or color ramps to refine look. If you see seams or shading artifacts, check UV seams, flipped normals, and that normals are blended in the same space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.